Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
हमारा सीन बहुत सही हो गया, सबका ग्राफ ऊपर गया. The volume of rappers that emerged after that movie was bonkers. Like मतलब हर गली में अब 10 rappers हैं.
Biggest challenge as a creator you have is to balance stuff. This being a show about music, about the music industry, about the artists, it had to balance a lot of stuff.
It's like an untold story. Like हम लोग artist के life को देखते हैं and we relate to his stardom, his fame and everything. And somewhere down the line even we want कि यार काश हमारे story, हमारे struggles को हम बता सके. So Khalbali Records was that kind of script that came to us, and I believe that, you know, let's do it. I mean, like, that's the USP.
This is what really goes down. This is what real voices are all about. So being a part and a voice of that kind of a show, I think I was really excited to be a part of it.
Hi guys, this is Nikita from India Forums. Hello. खलबली रिकॉर्ड्स का ट्रेलर जो हमने देखा है, जो ग्लिम्स देखी है हमने, उसके नीचे के कमेंट्स क्या आप लोगों ने पढ़े? द कमेंट्स आर गोइंग क्रेजी वैसे तो. एंड सबसे ज़्यादा यूनिक बात ये है कि एक म्यूज़िक शो के लिए इतना ज़्यादा क्रेज शायद ही लोग पहली बार देख रहे हैं. आई वांट टू आस्क यू फर्स्ट, द डायरेक्टर सर, कि खलबली रिकॉर्ड्स में म्यूज़िक बैकड्रॉप तो है ही, प्लस ड्रामा भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्फ्यूज़ किया है आपने. वॉज इट डिफ़िकल्ट, वॉज इट ईजी, क्या चैलेंजेस थे उसमें?
See, the biggest challenge as a creator you have is to balance stuff, to balance the elements of drama and everything else you want to in a show in general. This being a show about music, about the music industry, about the artists, it had to balance a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Ambitions, grief, greed, success, failure, death, life, love, loss, and so many other emotions. Yeah, the challenge was basically to balance it, because since day one I knew that I had an entire buffet of, moments and elements in a story.
Correct.
But it was a lot of fun. When you have the problem of plenty, it's a good problem to have. Na?
Okay. Who was the most problematic?
Who?
Who was the most problematic?
Who as in these?
Navdeep is saying, he's admitting it.
Who's
Navdeep just
admitting?
said.
Prabh
हाथ उठा रहा है?
Yeah.
नहीं. No, making a show with these guys, all of us are smiling today, all of us have had each other's back. Yeah, वो उतनी बड़ी बात नहीं थी. Making a show is the biggest challenge in itself, because 2 फिल्म जितनी मेहनत जाती है एक शो बनाने में, and I think we had a blast. We had Khalbali along the way, but it's part of the process.
Absolutely. Coming to you, EPR and Prab, मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि खलबली रिकॉर्ड्स में आपको एक वो कौन सा USP लगा that you decided that you are going to do this show?
अब तू जा भाई पहले.
USP, I think it gives you an insight about what happens behind stardom, behind what goes inside an artist's mind when he's writing a song, and the kind of challenges that he faces and everything. It's like an untold story. Like हम लोग artist के life को देखते हैं and we relate to his stardom, his fame and everything. And somewhere down the line even we want कि यार काश हमारे story, हमारे struggles को हम बता सके. So Khalbali Records was that kind of script that came to us, and I believe that, you know, let's do it. I mean, like, that's the USP. तो पहली बार देखने को मिलेगा. So yeah.
Prab?
Yeah, agreed. Like behind the scenes, like business side, कि पीछे कैसे चल रहा होता है. How creation तो एक part है. Navigating your career is a whole different ball game. Like music बनने में कम time लगता है actually में.
Okay.
Like when I create, like I give a week to finish like core songs for a EP. Album के लिए महीना ले लो. To present it, to get everything in order, it takes like 6 months to 1 year.
Really?
Yeah. So creation is not that hard. So मेरे लिए वही intriguing था USPs का.
और आप दोनों ने आपके पर्सनल लाइफ से भी क्या कुछ चीज़ें उठाई है और इसमें एम्बेड करी है for your characters?
मेरा तो बहुत है.
Of course. Bits and pieces.
Little of what you can tell us.
मेरा तो विजनरी एस्पेक्ट, लाइक ही मौज न्यू दैट आगे और लोग आएंगे.
Okay.
There will be a generation of artists who will be inspired by him. So he understood certain amount of responsibility. तो मैं उससे तो बहुत कनेक्ट करता हूँ कि 100 साल लगेगा सोचना कि you wanna be counted with greats.
Absolutely. About you, EPR.
For me, I had this. I mean, like in one of the songs called "Call Center," जो मेरा ट्रैक है, तो उसमें ही मैंने लिखा है कि about Rudra, how Rudra is actually, juggling his job at call center, night shift, and then hip hop together. It's somewhere in the wrong foot as well.
Okay.
तो वैसे भी मेरे लाइफ में when I was growing up and when I chose hip hop and I was into a rock band, a lot of things happened. I used to juggle my studies and stuff like that, and still do hip hop and still live my dreams, right? So I embedded that personal side of mine.
True,
in that.
absolutely. Coming to you, Saloni, little did we know कि Animal की बहन has so much passion for singing also. Was the passion only reason to come on board with Kalbali Records? How did it all happen?
Passion for everything, I would say.
Okay.
With the music for my other art form, which is acting.
Correct.
And also to be collaborating with such artists, Devanshu, who had like a vision to create this big musical drama, which is being the first of its kind.
Correct.
It really fascinated me. The whole concept really fascinated me. The artists on board were my inspirations of sorts. So I wanted to just work with all of them in this kind of a setup, and having the role that I have in the show, the graph that the role has, the shades that it has for an actor, I think that's what gives you the thrill, to be able to play those shades in one single character. So it's a beautifully written show with all the music industry bit happening behind it, और वो आपको सब बता रहे हैं कि ऐसा, this is what really goes down, this is what real voices are all about. So being a part and a voice of that kind of a show, I think I was really excited to be a part of it.
Perfect. Coming to you, Skand, मैंने हाल ही में कहीं तो पढ़ा था कि आपने कहा है that you manifested a project like this.
Yeah, it seems like I did now because I manifest. I मतलब मैं इतना actively believe तो नहीं करता हूँ, but I just feel like something that you keep thinking about. People say ना कि तुम एक चीज के बारे में सोचते रहते हो और you keep doing something, maybe it comes around in a way. I have been listening to Desi hip hop since a very long time.
Correct.
Since way before Gully Boy, and I was introduced to it way before Gully Boy. And I've always been a fan. I've always been a fan of all these people who I'm now working with. So it just felt like कि यार इतने देसी हिप हॉप गाने सुन सुन के अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा ठीक है, इतने गाने सुने, भगवान ने बोला ये ले शो ही कर ले, 20 गाने भी ले ले साथ में, और ये प्रभ को भी ले ले साथ में, इसके साथ सीन कर ले, और थोड़ा सा अमित त्रिवेदी जी लेजेंड जो हैं उनके भी 2-3 गाने भी कर लो. So now it feels like I manifested this show. Anyone in my life who knows me even a little bit, my school friends, my college friends, they all know what a big fan I am of Desi hip hop. Been listening to it since the time people used to not like it. लोग मुंह बनाते थे जब मैं हिंदी में रैप गाने हाउस पार्टीज में बजाता था, तो लोग बोलते थे क्या बजा रहा है. And now
The scenario's changed.
Yeah, everything is changed. Now you're the coolest person in the room if you're listening to a good Desi hip hop track, So that's why I said that I feel like I've manifested this.
Now that you mentioned Gully Boy, मुझे लगता है Gully Boy के आने के बाद थोड़ा बहुत changes हुए हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री में, that people started looking at music from a different नजरिया. What is your take on that?
बता दे भाई
पहले आप.
यार मेरे को गली बॉय हैड उसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है. गली बॉय के आई विल ड्वेल इनटू प्रोज.
Okay.
कि
You're leaving cons for him to say.
उसके प्रोज है कि हमारा सीन बहुत सही हो गया.
Okay.
सबका ग्राफ ऊपर गया. Everyone, the whole scene profited from that movie. Not just people who were in that movie.
Yeah.
Because the volume of rappers that emerged after that movie was bonkers. Like मतलब हर गली में अब 10 रैपर्स हैं. पहले सीन में 10 होते थे. कहाँ 10 से हजारों पहुंच चुके हैं. So that really opened up a lot of doors for a lot of artists, and it हम लोग जो ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश थे, जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी कुछ साल डाल दिए थे म्यूजिक में उस टाइम, हिप हॉप में, रैपर्स ने, उनको तो उनके लिए काफी डोर्स ओपन हुए. ब्रांड डील्स वाइज मतलब वी केम टू अ पॉइंट वेयर वी कैन सस्टेन आवर करियर्स विदाउट गेटिंग अ लेबल डील, यू नो, एंड वी गॉट एक्सपोज्ड विद how to maneuver, like being authentic as well. You don't have to follow the formula anymore.
Correct.
Basically. So that's the pro.
See, we take hip hop so seriously now. Post Gully Boy कि अब एडवर्टाइजिंग के जिंगल्स देखो, पहले जिंगल कल्चर था, अब हिप हॉप ट्रैक्स बन रहे हैं. EPR has composed and sung for so many brands and written stuff for so many brands. Prabh has featured in the biggest brands, you know. एक ये start हुआ है, और दूसरा, if you see the background score in so many fiction content also is hip hop driven now. So that's a big boon, and people started, I think the show, the idea of the show got a little, you know, got greenlit after Gully Boy became successful. उसके पहले लोग वही था सीन कि ये शो कौन देखेगा. गली बॉय चल गए तो लोगों ने बोला ये शो क्या था, चलिए बनाते हैं.
Correct.
So it's done a lot of good for the community, the content community at large.
Yeah, like hip hop rappers are writers. Like rap is rhythm and poetry. We are poets. And we are poets not in just like we can write about day-to-day life.
Correct.
We can write about any topic. So we can be used for anything.
Yeah.
True that.
You can voice out people's opinion also.
दंगल जैसी मूवी में एक हिप हॉप है.
हाँ. So we can rap, talk about anything. We don't have to necessarily rap. We can just write we can be used as writers in scripts as well, you know. We can add value to not just as rappers but as poets as well in different forms.
Absolutely.
तो I think इसके बाद शायद वो खुल सकता है. और गली बॉय ने रैपर्स लेके आया था, ये बिजनेस में बैकएंड ज्यादा दिख रहा था, ये शायद वो doors open कर सकता है.
In fact, Prabh and EPR both have written songs for the show. Apart from the songs that they have sung and performed,
Oh wow.
they have written songs for the show.
Wonderful.
Like a playback.
Waiting
so it is
to
like
see that.
Yeah.
Last 2 questions before we move towards a fun segment. Social media पे हाल ही में एक debate चल रही थी about the remakes of cult classic songs जो बन रहे थे. I would want to know your take on that.
हम सब कहेंगे let's skip the question.
Skip the song, skip the question.
Yeah, leave the songs, leave the question.
Are you
songs
open
as
to
it
these this remake culture? Just that. I would.
Did you hear us talk about it pehle?
No, I did not. No, I
Oh
did
wow.
Achha. Because I just mentioned in some other interview
Okay.
that I listen to everything under the sun.
Okay.
I can listen to a song which is not even in my language, and if I like it, I'll keep listening to it till I'm bored of it. I will not listen to a remix song. Like it just breaks my heart because एक तो ये इतने बढ़िया क्लासिक गाने होते हैं,
जी.
उनको आप रिप्राइज वर्जन बोल के या जो भी वर्जन बोल के, आई जस्ट फील लाइक especially after doing this show and spending time with these guys, it just feels humiliating कि आपको इतना भी भरोसा नहीं है कि कोई एक नया गाना लिख सकता है. और मैं यही अभी पिछले इंटरव्यू में बोल रहा था कि with all due respect, and these guys understood what I was saying, it is very easy to make a song. If you are around the right people, if you know what you're doing, if you are explained अच्छे से कि आपको किस सिचुएशन के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, गाना क्रिएट करना जैसे प्रभ ने बोला, it's easy then obviously to make it bigger than what it is and make it into a hit it also takes time. But मी प्रभ एंड देवांशु सर हम लोग ने ड्राइव करके लोनावला गए थे, जहाँ पे 2 घंटे की ड्राइव में देवांशु सर ने प्रभ को एक्सप्लेन किया कि दिस इज द सिचुएशन, आई नीड अ सॉन्ग.
Okay.
We had half the song by evening.
Wow.
Half the song on his phone टाइप कर रहा था ये ऊपर रूम में बैठ के, और जब ये शाम को नीचे आया इसने आधे एक वर्स और एक हुक इसने दे दिया था ऑलरेडी. They worked on it. Obviously,
And that's
they
the
worked
love
on it.
song I'm talking
And
about.
that's the love song.
Impressive.
Pyar Besharam. It's 6 hours. 6 hours we had half the song.
On the credit, sorry to interrupt, the credit is कि it's not even his rap. He's written on a brief, like
Yeah.
a playback song के लिए जैसे एक lyricist लिखता है, which is his first in a sense. So you give a good artist a brief and let him be.
Let him be.
हो जाएगा.
हाँ. उसको 2 घंटा रूम में बैठा लंच वंच करके
I think
realize किया.
it's not just a rapper or like music problem. It's in it's in our DNA. Like we compare ourselves with West a lot. We have a lot of talent in India. अपने इधर टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है, रोकते बहुत हैं
Yeah.
कि ये नहीं चलेगा ब्रो, मत कर. Let that
Yeah.
idea develop fully,
Yeah.
then judge.
Yeah.
And even if it fails, किसी का मैं इंटरव्यू देख रहा था बहुत पुराना, they said कि old record label owners with suits were really great because they used to be like, तूने ये बनाया डाल, चलेगा चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा तो तेरा नुकसान. Those guys were actually good for the industry.
Correct.
You know?
और फिल्मों में भी ऐसा ही है, एड्स में भी ऐसा ही है
True.
कि ऐसा कुछ बना दो, ऐसा कुछ बना दो.
There is always a reference point.
Yeah,
Like when he told me like this is my scene,
हाँ.
he visualized it.
Correct.
उसने इन्होंने पहले किया, मैंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस से उसको विजुअलाइज किया, मैंने I added another layer on top
Correct.
of what he explained it to me. If he had shown me कि ये मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ, नहीं बनता वो कभी.
Yeah, we never discussed a reference for this.
Never, हाँ.
We discussed
But
the kind
debate
of
क्या है ये?
poetry,
I
the
think
kind
people
of
are trying
romance.
What is this
follow
debate on
formula.
manufacturing?
There are few people like I don't
Remake.
understand ये young generation है या क्या who like these remakes. They'll have to groove on these remakes, but there are these then old
एक
school
argument है,
lovers.
see, there's an argument, I'm cutting it short, there's an argument कि पुराने गाने हैं उनको न्यू लीज ऑफ लाइफ मिलती है अगर नए तरीके से परोसा जाए.
जी.
I'm like यार नए आर्टिस्ट को बनाने दो ना, पुराने को वैसे ही सुन लो ना, it'll still work.
जी.
हाँ, remaster it.
Correct.
Do you want to remake Shine on You Crazy Diamond?
No,
No,
Never.
why
You
would
can't.
anyone do that?
you can't.
Let the new generation take it.
Yeah.
At 15 जब सुनेंगे उनको अलग सा लगेगा वही गाना, 25 के हो जाएंगे उनको वही गाना अलग सा सुनाएंगे.
Now we took inspiration from that song on one of the songs,
थम जा.
Thamja.
Okay.
But it's not sounding
Similar at all.
no like
Okay.
it's very far. Like both of the songs are very far, but the idea, the feeling is the same.
या हमने नहीं कहा वो वर्ड्स डालो,
बिल्कुल.
हमने कहा जैसे वो गाना हम 15 के थे वो गाना सुना था, आज 40 के हो गए हैं वो गाना सुना, वो अलग ही सुनाई देता है, अलग ही मीन करता है आपके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, वैसे गाने बनाने हैं.
So remake?
No.
Fuck that shit.
Clearly a very
Why-
touchy topic.
Why do you
For
want
people who are more 25 plus, तो very touchy topic.
Why do you want to waste, like as an artist, why do I want to waste my energy doing something which has already been done? When I can, even if it's I'm giving a day, वो एक दिन में अपना कोई और स्किल डेवलप करने में दे दूँ.
True.
You know? और anyway, I'm just gonna fuck that song up. So, there is no point.
वेल कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं ना जो सोसाइटी में एक बहुत ह्यूज डिफरेंस छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. वन ऑफ दोज वाज ABCD जिसने डांस के यू नो द डांस मीडियम इट चेंज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो हम बचपन से देखते हैं ना जब बच्चों को पूछा जाता है क्या करना है क्या नहीं, और बच्चे जब एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर में ज़्यादा होते हैं तो उन्हें वहीं से रोक दिया जाता है कि दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट यू योर ब्रेड एंड बटर, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू अ करियर. A message from you guys to all those parents or all those kids watching this and would want to do their career into music, into rapping and all of that.
Who wants to start? Start.
I don't want to start anymore.
I do understand the importance and the value of having a good education. But I also think now parents definitely do understand what's it like to nurture a specific talent. And I hope this just spreads. नहीं है मुश्किल ज़्यादा, अगर आपके बेटे को स्विमिंग आती है उसको दिन में 2 घंटा स्विमिंग लेके जाना मुश्किल नहीं है. प्लीज़ टेक इट. अगर मुश्किल है भी और उसको पसंद है तो प्लीज़ ले जाओ उसको. अगर डांस पसंद है तो प्लीज़ ले जाओ. मैं आई विल नॉट से एजुकेशन इज यूजलेस और व्हाटएवर. आई थिंक इट गिव्स यू अ सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ सिविल बना देता है आपको थोड़ा सा. It teaches you how to be in a civilized society, be a good person, but it has nothing to do with earning money and bread and butter. That can come from anywhere. But please, if your kids have some kind of talent and they really want to do that, please let them do that. Even if it's 1 hour in a day, from the age of 10, 11, 12. Just imagine what that kid is going to do when they are 20 or 25. They're going to be so good. So please let them do that.
Saloni.
I think education is one of the most important things in life. It lays your foundation, as he said. It makes you the person, क्योंकि वो आपकी foundation years हैं, you're growing. But let your children do whatever ignites their fire. So for that you need to explore, you need to experience, you need to go to other things. जो उनको passion दे रहा है उनको वो करने दीजिए. They'll figure it out. I mean, their intuition will talk to them, and intuition never lies. So they parents should definitely have a little more trust in their children and let them do what they feel like will, make them feel that passion forever.
You guys, anything you want to add on?
I think educate kids. Educate your kids in streams that they love. Like if they love making music, give them education in music. Make them understand, there is a history to everything. Even let's say swimming.
Correct.
There is a science behind it. Intrigue them, give them details about it. Even if you can't afford school, अब तो क्या है, सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन इंस्टाग्राम से मिल जाता है. कितना दूर है, लिटरली एक टॉपिक डाला 50 चीजें आ जाएंगी उसके बारे में बोलते हुए. सो आई थिंक अगेन एजुकेटिंग किड्स. अगर मेरे को पता होता कि म्यूजिक सीख सकते हैं ऐसे इन डेप्थ कि मैं बर्कली का ऑनलाइन कोर्स भी होता है, मेरे को तो मेरे करियर में बहुत बाद में पता लगा कि मैं ऑनलाइन बर्कली से सीख सकता था. मतलब वो मेरे को 2 साल तो एटलीस्ट आगे पुश कर देता अगर मेरे को पता होता है. सो आई थिंक मेरा तो यही मैसेज होगा उनको, फाइंड राइट कोर्सेज फॉर योर किड्स एंड गिव इट टू देम.
EPR.
To cut it short, I mean, if you're teaching your kids how to dream, then also motivate them to achieve it.
True.
I mean, if you give them a block of stone,
Correct.
and then ask them what do you imagine out of it, and then the kid will say that I imagine some statue. At least give them the tools of achieving. I mean, give them a chisel so that they can carve their own dreams.
Correct.
At least motivate them. So that is important.
I just want to add one thing to this. Teach your kids how to fail,
Yeah.
not to succeed. Teach your kids how to take failure. That is more important.
True.
You succeed once, but you fail many times.
Yeah.
That's where you need the training.
And that's what shapes your personality.
Yeah.
True.
देवांशु, आई फील इस सब में ना पेरेंट्स से ज्यादा तो रिलेटिव्स के भी इनपुट्स काफी ज्यादा
अरे
होते
यार
हैं.
सांप
क्या
होते
कर
हैं
रहा है
भाई.
तुम्हारा बेटा,
That's
क्या कर रहा है?
noise. That's noise. मैं तो कहता हूँ पेरेंट्स से अपने बच्चे को कहते हैं तुम इंजीनियरिंग लेना, मेडिकल नहीं लेना. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको पसंद है.
Correct.
क्योंकि उनका प्रेफरेंस है.
Correct.
आप इस कमरे में देखिए, हम सारे अब आज के डेट में जितने लोग खड़े हैं सारे प्रोफेशनल्स हैं.
True.
कोई कैमरे पर है, कोई साउंड पे है, आप एंकर हो.
True.
यहाँ एक्टर्स हैं, लिरिसिस्ट, म्यूजिशियन, रैपर्स हैं, बाकी स्टूडियो के लोग हैं.
True.
हम में से कोई इंजीनियर नहीं है, हम में से कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है. वो सब सही है जो कर रहे हैं.
कुछ किया हुआ है, लेकिन कुछ तो बड़ाई करिए, हंस रहे हैं उनके स्मार खाइए एकदम. अब नहीं लगे हुए.
और आज एवेन्यूज हैं, आज वो कल वाली बात नहीं है. सो लेट योर किड्स डू इट, क्योंकि उनको लाइफ लॉन्ग करना है.
Absolutely.
वो आर्मी वाली चीज नहीं, 10 साल सर्व करके वापस आ जाओ फिर फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे हो.
True that.
यू नो, तो चिल करो, पूरी जिंदगी एक काम करो, खुश रहो.
Perfect. Thank you
Cheers, thank
so
you.
much
Thank
for
you
doing
so
this with
much.
us. Thank you. All the best. I hope Kalbali Records does what you guys have manifested in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.